Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I present to you this coffee grinder called BG T64. The manufacturer approached us for a collaboration, to be precise, to give feedback for their grinder. As always, our full disclosure. This is a purchase unit and was given a special sample price for in-house evaluation with no requirements or demands from them, just our honest feedback to them. In the initial stage, we have brought up two issues and recommended them to rectify. Glad they are willing to do so, and we really appreciate that. It is a single dosing, multi-purpose grinder. This grinder is worth considering due to its budget-friendly price tag with stock 64mm titanium coated Burrs, stepless grind settings, and claim low retention. About the manufacturer, this BG T64 grinder is produced by a Chinese company in China. It is time to acknowledge that grinders designed and produced in China are indeed impressive, well built, and gaining recognition from the international coffee community. Now for the unboxing. Brush, silicone bellow, metallic, metal funnel, metal catch cup, and dosing cup. 2-in-1 users. Let's take a look at the design and features. The T64 has a simple design and has a sloping shape to reduce retention. It has a fork to hold a portafilter and also the included dosing or catch cup, which is compatible with 58mm portafilter only. Do note that the funnel has two different diameters on both sides. The smaller diameter is for the catch cup, and the larger diameter is for the portafilter. If you intend to dose directly into the portafilter, remember to remove either the two caps at the top or two caps at the bottom so that your portafilter can insert into it. If you intend to dose into the dosing cup, just leave the four caps on. The on-off switch is located at the right side, and the blue light will illuminate once pressed to activate, which looks nice. Given that this is a single dose coffee grinder, there is no hopper provided. To get any loose coffee grounds out of the chamber, just give a few presses on the silicone bellow will do the job. This metal tube is removable and is magnetic to gain access for cleaning and maintenance. Thumbs up for this nice feature. Built-in anti-popcorning device. The T64 is well built, solid, all metal body constructions from top to bottom, which is a good thing. It weighs 7.4 kg powered by a 300-watt AC motor that rotates at the speed of 1400 RPM. This high speed is common among most flat burr grinders. This powerful motor will be able to grind light roasted coffee beans without stalling. The grind setting dial is located at the top and is smooth to turn. There is a small pin protruding upwards. It is not a safety micro switch. The purpose is to give a click sound whenever there is an adjustment on the grind settings dial. To gain access to the flat burrs, turn the grind setting clockwise all the way. Here are the titanium coated burrs. This 64mm burr size means that you can switch to your preferred burrs that are widely available. The most common upgrade is the Espresso burrs or the fellow Gen 2 brew burrs if you intend to use this as a brew grinder. If you are looking to change to SSP burrs, you need to change both burr holders as the size of the SSP burrs is slightly bigger. The holders are available from the manufacturer. Both original burr holders are suitable for SSP burrs, but just that you'll face some resistance when installing. This coffee grinder is also available in white. Is it noisy or what's the sound level like? Here's the sound test. How's the retention? Here is the test. grind quality is impressive. The stock Burrs can produce a fluffy grind with very minimal clumping. Flavor profile conclusion from our in-house members and myself: clean, good, clarity, acidity on the lighter side, well controlled, overall a well-balanced cup. There are many new promising grinder models popping up every now and then, which is good news for the consumers. Prices are pocket-friendly too. After watching this detailed video on the T64 grinder, are you impressed with the build quality and grind capability? Are you tempted to buy one? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.